Hello and welcome back to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triple crochet. The abbreviation and patterns for this is TR. So I'm going to start us off with a swatch here. The first thing that we're going to do is a chain 3. The triple crochet is a taller stitch than a double, so the chain 3 makes it more consistent as you're going across. So here we go with our chain 3, and then we're going to turn our work. So we are going to put our first triple crochet in that stitch next to the chain 3. So to get that started, what we are going to do is we're going to yarn over our hook twice, and then we are going to insert our hook underneath the V, those two strands on the stitch, and we're going to yarn over, pull through, and that will leave us with 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2, leaving 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2, and that leaves 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Alright, so we're going to do another in the next stitch. So we're going to wrap around twice our hook with the yarn. We're going to go underneath the V. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, which puts 4 on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. I'm going to do a couple more of these with you just so that you can watch the pattern and also so that you can see the rhythm of doing this stitch. So we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to go under our V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over through the second, and yarn over through the third. Thank you for spending time with me today learning the triple crochet. If you have liked this video, please leave comments and hit the like button. Here we are at the very end, and you can see here is our row of triple crochets. I also have other videos that I have done various other stitches, so if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes up. Thanks!